Hello my dear VLSI aspirants, welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about duality in digital circuits. Yes, what is the importance of the duality, where we will use and how to apply duality we want to know. Without any delay, let's dive into the question number 10. For the identity AB plus A bar C plus BC is equals to AB plus A bar C, what is the dual form? Guys, remember, dual form or duality is used to convert a positive logic system into negative logic system. That's only the reason why do you need duality. Okay, now how to convert one particular expression into a dual expression that contains three steps. Step number 1, we need to replace AND with OR. Similarly, OR with AND. Okay now guys, for better understanding you can remember in this way. Dot can be considered as plus, plus can be considered as dot. In fact guys, in digital electronics we need to call this dot as AND operation. This is OR operation. Strictly speaking, you should not speak dot plus also. If you say into plus, it comes under arithmetic operations. Okay, now the second one, in your expression, if 0 is there, you need to replace with 1. If you have 1, you need to replace with the 0. And the third one, important one, keep the variables as it is. You should not change the variables. That means, suppose in your original expression there is A bar, then you need to keep it as it is, A bar only. You should not take instead of A bar A like that. No. So these are the rules to be followed to convert an expression into dual of that particular expression. Now let's see this. Now here A dot B is there, then how to write? A plus B into, because plus is there, into A bar plus C into B plus C is equals to A plus B into A bar plus C. That's it guys. This is what? Dual expression of that given expression. Got it? And guys, you know very well, for any function, if you apply dual 2 times, then that will be equal to f only, the same function. However, there is one self-dual function. Okay, coming to the self-dual function, for this function, if you apply one-time duality, it will be equal to the same function only, means fd is equals to f only. This is called self-dual function. Moreover guys, here if you take example, let us take example, the function is AB plus BC plus AC. If you apply duality, then you get A plus B into B plus C into A plus C. Got it guys? Now when you simplify, here you apply distribution theorem, this one, B plus AC, isn't it? And you write this A plus C only. Now you multiply AB, BC, AC, AC. Now guys, AC 2 times you can write AC only. AB plus BC plus AC only. See this. Hence what I mean is, for a particular function, if you apply one-time duality, if you get the same function, that function is called self-dual function. Okay. And you know, for n variables, what are the self-dual functions? It follows 2 power n minus 1. For n variables, the self-dual functions are 2 power n minus 1. The same duality you can apply logic gates also. For example, let us take AND gate. The operation is AB. Let's consider this logic gate. Then you apply duality for this. What you will get? A plus B only. So that it will be like this. Hence, guys, the duality of AND gate is OR gate only. Similarly, you apply OR gate for this OR gate duality, you will get AND gate only. So you can remember one more point saying that the duality of AND gate is OR gate only. The duality of OR gate is AND gate only. The same you can consider the NAND gate also. For example, it is AB whole bar. This one. Now here if you apply the duality, what you get for this function? You get A plus B whole bar only, na? We need to keep the variables as it is. Simply you need to change AND with or with AND. That's it. Therefore, here you get NOR gate, isn't it? So, the NAND gate duality is NOR gate. The NOR gate duality is NAND gate. Yes, these are the duality of the particular gates. Hence, here guys, we can say, even you may be getting a doubt saying that, sir, where you get 0 as 1 or 0, you are getting the expressions only, na? So why are you mentioning there? No, you cannot say the function looks like A, B, C or anything at all. It could be like, for example, let us take here A bar into A is equals to 0. This is the function. Now they are asking what is a duality for this. Simply you need to keep the variables as it is. Replace AND with OR, replace 0 with 1, 1 with 0. Therefore, it is A bar plus A is equals to 1 only. So you need to remember all these 3 points if you want to apply duality. Got it? And finally, why do you need duality? So I told you already here, guys, the duality is used to convert a positive logic system into negative logic system, a negative logic system into positive logic system. In the simple way, you can tell even in this way as well. Suppose your design is in terms of SOP, sum of product form, but the designer, the client is expecting the POS form, product of sum form. Then you apply duality. That's it. Therefore, this SOP, active high output, can be converted into active low output, which is POS. This is the importance of duality. Okay, guys. So, like all these are very, very small like topics which influence big impact when you go to applications part. Okay, guys. This is about duality. I hope you like the video. Everybody, if you are first time visiting the channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel Deep Silicon VLSI and see you in the next video. This is Shivaram signing off. Jai Hind.